How to grow salad mix and other green mixtures in small containers. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified of all upcoming videos. You don't need a big yard like this or a big garden like this to grow salad mix. And you don't need a big containers like this to grow salad mix. You can grow salad mix in small containers. So today I'm gonna show you how to grow salad mix in very small containers, like a gallon container. So let's go, let's take a look at it. What you need is you need a container like this one that I have, and you need some good quality potting mix like this that I have over here. I have a video that shows you how to make your own potting mix for pennies. I'll put the link in the description below. How to plant salad mix in containers like this. So what we're gonna do is, well, I have my container. I have a couple of holes on the side of the container, and what we do is make sure you have enough potting mix in there, so that it gives the roots more space for them to dig down and get nutrients. So once we're done putting the soil in there, so what we gotta do next is get our seeds. So here's our seed. So you don't wanna put too much in there. So what I'm gonna do is just spread a little bit on my palm first. Yeah, you can easily grab it. As you can see, those are the seeds right there. So what you want to do is you want to sprinkle it around the container. So like I say, you don't want to put too much. If you put too much, then you can weed it out later on. So you just want to spread it out like that. And that is it. We're just gonna let it water it now. So what we're gonna do is water it. Just wanna make sure it's soaked like that. And just put it in a nice warm area. It should start germinating pretty soon. After 1 week, this is it. Most of them came out already, and they're looking good. So if you think it's too much, then you can take out some of them. But if not, you can just let it grow and just make sure you water it regularly. We should get some much better results soon. Please help the channel by liking the video and sharing it with everyone. Thank you. Okay, this is it after 2 weeks. Looking much better. Awesome. Almost ready to be harvested. So we'll give it another couple of days or a week. This is it. Okay, so this is it after about 3 weeks. As you can see, done very well. Ready to be harvested, so you can harvest it now, eat it, and more is gonna grow. So we're gonna harvest it right now. As you can see, it's very it can still continue to grow, but you can just harvest it now and be able to let it grow more, and you just keep harvesting it. So let's go, let's see if we can harvest it right now and have some salad mix. So you can cut it by hand like this, or you can use your garden shear or garden scissors and just go and this is what we have right now. So we're just gonna let it continue to grow in here, and hopefully within a week or two we should be able to harvest more salad mix from it. And here is our bowl, so we're gonna be able to get some good salad, eat some good salad mix today. Let me know in the comments below if you've grown salad mix or other tiny vegetables or in containers like this, and how it came out. So let me know in the comments below if you've done something like this. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.